Hey everyone, welcome to Our Snazzy Life.
So we are back again, Gluttons for Punishment, but we found someone on OfferUp local here that had packs for sale, and they had them listed at 22, and I asked how many he had, and he said he had 8. And I asked if he would do 20, if I would take them all, and he said he would, so that's pretty much retail for him. And so, you know, even if they're not great or whatever, then
We got some more traders.
yeah, that's still about the value they would be anyway, regardless. I didn't even think about it, but after I got them, I could see the pouches had like little ding stuff too with them, so I'm guessing that they probably went through and felt them up and to see if there was a super chasers. You can kind of feel that through these.
Yeah, I mean, maybe they were looking for a certain pin, so they were trying to pull packs that had, whether they were looking for a headband or a castle or a D, who knows.
Yeah, so yeah, I'll put up the picture again of all the pins like we did the last one and show you that.
And then we do have some traders that we are going to add to. We also have our board with all of the Disney World ones we already have. So I think we're going to get started and get them all prepped and ready to go.
Yeah, so we'll show you what we got here. We actually right now have 4 chasers. I have those across the top here. And then these are the Walt Disney World extras we have. And then these are the Disney World ones we have.
Disneyland.
Or Disneyland, and these are Disney World.
Yeah.
Sorry. And then these 2 at the bottom we're holding for friends. So that's what those are there. And then you guys will see them marked off, but this is actually the ones that we have as of right now. Sorry, there's probably glare. And then we'll show you the pin packs. So these are the packs we have. We got 8 of them, and then we're going to do like we always do, kind of get them cut open and ready.
Yep. And
do that, and then we will start and show you.
Let's go.
What are you hoping for? Because we're missing like 19 of them, and we got 16 here. So
I think I still would like to get the Donald ones. They're cute. I like those. I mean, the Ariel one, the Ariel ears are really pretty.
Yeah.
And the Tiana D is really pretty. And then the chaser for the D is cool.
Yeah. I mean, I would love if we got the chasers. Like, if we could get all 4 of the chasers. So probably not going to happen, but that would be perfect if we could do that. If not, we have 4 chasers mix that we're going to try and trade with other people to get those chasers with if we don't. So just hoping to get as few doubles as we can. I'm sure there are some. I felt some of the packages up, and we only need 2 castles. So we need the candy apples and the 1 castle and the chaser. You already got the balloons?
Oh, I did get the balloons the other day.
So I think we have more than 2 castles in the packages from feeling them, and we only have 2. So we're probably going to get doubles of those. But
let's see.
Yeah, let's get open. We'll be back in a second. All right, so we have the 8 packs. We have them all open and ready, and I'll let Katie do the honors, and she'll pick one, and then I'll pick one from that pack. And we'll see what she gets and what I get.
All right. It has Funky Edges, Donald Halloween.
Nice. And let's see. Mine looks like it's one of the 25s. Let's see. And Cheshire Cat. So,
you know, I just have to say, I definitely have fun getting to open these.
Yeah.
This has been a lot of fun over the last couple weeks, getting to try to find
Yeah.
the pins. No matter what we get, it really is a lot of fun.
This will probably be our last bulk unboxing of these, so this will probably be pretty much done buying them. Like this, we may buy a couple packs here and there, but all right, this one looks like it may be a Donald. And it is, and it's one we need. It's the one you like the most.
Oh, it's the one I like the most.
So it's the 4th of July, Donald.
I think that I got a D, finally.
Oh, hopefully.
Crossing my fingers. Okay.
Let's see if it's
Ready?
Mickey.
Set. No. It is a Mickey, though. It's the 25 year, but we don't have this one.
No, we need that one too.
So-
So that was a pack of ones we needed. So,
Nice.
and then I will go ahead and show you what we have now. So we added another Donald and we added the Mickey. So we're one away here, two away here, one away in the chaser here, and then we still have a lot of work to do down here.
Yeah.
Oh, is this the one for me?
That's for you, and this is for me. This one's ears.
All right, let's see. We need Ariel and we need the treats.
Stitch.
Stitch.
Stitch is a great one.
It's a good trader, as everyone loves Stitch. Let's see. I have a castle, so we're hoping for Epcot and Candy Apple is all we need. So let's see. I think it's Candy Apple. It is
Yeah.
Candy Apple.
Is it printed? So we've been watching, and some people's are printed absolutely insane.
Yeah.
I don't know if that would increase the value that they were a misprint or.
No. It's ones that should have been scrapped at the factory, probably, if they did put the
Bummer.
control right. But that one looks good.
Yeah, that one looks
The only
great.
one we have that doesn't is this balloon one. Looks like it may be missing some of the gloss in the color. So, but all
Your
right.
turn?
Oh, I'll do this group.
Okay.
Let's see.
I think this is another 25 years.
All right, so this is I think this is Donald. I have a feeling this is going to be from the back. It looks like this one. So
Okay.
I bet it's Donald and Cheshire Cat again. So this is going to be Halloween Donald. Yep, and I bet that one's going to be Cheshire.
I'm so far away. Yep.
So it was the
Consistency.
same pack as before. So we have plenty of those to trade.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna pick this one down here.
All right. And hopefully we just don't have a whole bunch of those.
Okay, this is another
25.
25.
So we need Ariel, and we would love Figment again, but
it's Simba.
all right. And I have. Ooh, this might be what I think. It might be the Chaser. Is this a Donald? And is it a Chaser? It is. We got the
Hey.
Donald Chaser, so that's one of the ones we really needed.
Nice.
So we only need one more Donald, and we have the whole set then.
Him in the lawn chair though is my favorite. He's just lounging.
All right.
Your pick.
Oh, yeah, I guess it is. I'll do this set. And it's a castle. Hopefully we get the last one we need is the Epcot Chaser. So how awesome would that be if we got that right now?
Yeah.
Come on, Epcot. No, it looks like it is the apple.
Candy apples again.
So maybe this will be another Donald Chaser. Is that what we just had the candy apple with, or was that something
No,
else?
it was Stitch.
Oh, Stitch ears. We got Stitch ears again. Another double bag.
That's super interesting. That is happening.
And it's probably the people we bought it from probably just bought a bunch of packs and felt for like the Super Chasers and that, and then these felt like they didn't have that, and they just
Yeah.
put those there. So I'm assuming that's it.
Yeah.
So you're next.
Nope. Yep.
Yeah, because you picked first.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, and you just picked that bag. All right.
So hopefully it's some new ones.
I do have a castle.
Oh, come on. Let's do it. Epcot. Epcot.
Haunted Mansion.
Ah. All right. And mine feels like ears. So we need Ariel and treats. And it's got a thing. I think it's going to be the pirate one, but we'll see.
What is it?
It's the pirate one. So more doubles. So far we've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4. So, which I guess it's the more you pull, the harder it's going to be to keep getting ones.
Yep.
They're new.
The Mickey one's super cute, though.
All right.
All right, last pack.
Let's get a double chaser. Let's get the Mickey D. Or we still didn't get 1D.
We have not gotten 1D, and actually we have not gotten 1 blue.
Oh yeah, because
the blue one is the one that was my Stitch one.
That we had already collected. Yeah. So all right, well let's see if we get this or not.
Super weird.
And mine is a 25, so let's hope it is Ariel. Cheshire, so that means you're probably going to have a Donald Halloween again.
Surprise!
Yeah, so really not a good set of packs. I guess I think some they had went through and felt these to see which ones they were, kind of, and so that's why we got so many. But
okay, so we are missing one of the 25, 2 ears. The only castle we're missing is the chaser. We are missing all of the D's. And then I am going to say that we are missing all of the blues because I want to keep the Stitch for my personal collection.
With your Stitch set.
And then we're just missing the St. Patrick's Day. But I feel like we've got some we've got some traders.
Yeah, we've got a lot of traders. There's not as many Disney World pins, and I don't really like trading through the mail as much. I know there's a Facebook group that people do it all the time. I'm part of, and doesn't seem to have any problem. I just have weird feeling just sending pins and hoping that the other people send them too. Yeah. So I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, we got our traders. We didn't get a whole lot, but we did get 1 chaser. So I'm definitely happy we got that one.
We got the cutest Donald.
So we're only missing 3, and we can probably trade with people online to find them, but we'll definitely try and feelers out for people that are from Florida that come to Disneyland and trade and see if we can meet up with them and do that. And we'll definitely be able to trade the ones we bought too, because having this many Walt Disney World ones, they're not as common in in Disneyland, so we should be able to get those.
Yep. But I guess we will just have to kind of wait and see, and we'll keep you guys updated once we finish our set.
Yep. So we still got some work to do, but these are going to be for sale for over a year. So.
Yep. All right.
All right. So I want to give a shout out to, this is a group from Whatnot. It's their channel is blue_ducky. They have so much energy and they are so fun to watch and listen to. But we were able to get to the last 25 year we needed, the Ariel, the last Donald we needed, and we got a D also. And he actually pulled the Ariel from his personal collection that he had and let me get that. So I want to definitely give a shout out to them. If you go on Whatnot and check them out, that would be awesome. We're in downtown Disney today. We're going to head into the parks here shortly, but we made a friend in the Facebook pin group, and we are going to do a really big trade and get a bunch of the Walt Disney ones we need and help her out with a bunch of the ones she needs today. I'll go ahead and let you introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Taylor. I'm a flight attendant, and I live in Florida, and I'm here trading some Disney pins.
Awesome. So we're doing a really big trade. So we are getting all of the ones down here, which are a bunch of Walt Disney ones from this year and last year that we need. And we are going to help her out with the whole Mickey set here, the Super Chaser from last year, and a bunch of different ones she needs, and the new Chaser for this one. So this is going to get us really close to finishing the other set. As you guys know, we've already finished the Disneyland set, and this will get us really close to the Disney World. So awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so since we did the unboxing, we've already had completed the Disneyland set. We have that. And this is where we're at on the Disney World set from what you guys saw. and we are only missing the Genie, the D, and the Epcot Chasers. And then we missed a few here, and then all the blues and all the Ds. On Whatnot, you'll just seen we got 3 pins, so we ended up finishing this one, and getting one of the Ds. And so that's where we were at there. And then we also decided yesterday that we wanted to do the 2024 sets too. So going in, we already had most of these. We're only missing the Hatbox D, and then we're missing the Ds from here. And that's all we were missing for the Disneyland. But Disney World, we're missing quite a bit. We needed all of these chasers here. We need more of the R2s. We didn't have any of the Wally, and we don't have any of the villains. And so we need all those chasers and all those. And that's what we got going into today. Now I will show you what we got today. And all right, so we had met the lady from the Facebook group that you guys saw earlier. We got a bunch of these from her, and we did some trading with the Frontier people and traded and got a whole bunch of the ones we needed to finish all these sets up and try and knock it off. And so we actually completed another Disneyland set and have most of the Disney World set. So I'm going to go ahead and put all the pins where they go, and then we'll show you what we're missing now. All right, so here's both of our Disneyland sets are completely complete. We have the Super Chaser for both, then all the chasers here and here, and then all of the pins. This is the 2024 set, 2025 from Disneyland. All right, and then here are the Disney Worlds. So from the 2024 set, we have the Super Chaser and all of the chasers. The only thing we're missing are 2 Wallies. So Wally goes there, and another one of the Wally ones goes there. And then we have the whole 2024 Disney World. The new 2025 set, we are missing the Epcot Chaser, but we got the Super Chaser and all the rest of the chasers. And then we are missing the blue Hades that goes right there. And then we have this Donald and this Ariel, as you guys saw coming from Whatnot. They just haven't shipped yet, so we should be getting those in the mail. So we're only missing 2 from each set, so that's awesome. And then these are our hidden Disney traders. We have like a bunch of old ones and stuff too, but we still have an Orange Bird Chaser, and we got another Disneyland. We bought 2 packs today just on a whim and got another Super Chaser. So that was awesome. And then we have a Disney Castle Chaser also. So we have 2 chasers and a Super Chaser. And then these are the Disneyland and these are the Disney World extras we got, and all of our old ones. So
We did a ton of pin trading today. I think it's one of our biggest pin trading days that we've had so far.
yeah, definitely. So between doing the opening, the couple we got from Whatnot, and the awesome lady that we met from the Facebook group, you got to see we are only missing 4 pins, and we have the whole 2024 set and the whole 2025 set completely done, and that's it. So we probably won't be doing any more package unboxings probably, as if we'll just get them here and there for the hidden Disneys at least. Once other mystery pins and stuff come out, we'll do more stuff like that too. But
Taylor from Florida was so nice, and it was great to get to meet up with her and do a couple trades with her.
Yep. So, well, thanks for coming along or ride with us again in our snazzy life, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Deuces.